So guys, on this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can make $10 to $700 with this website, which is called Respondent.io. What I want you to do for me is to like and share the video wherever you are watching me from. Subscribe, follow, like wherever you are watching me from. So what I need to do now is to head over to my smartphone. What is good is that you can even do this strategy from your smartphone. So that is what is good. So let us head over to the website, which is called Respondent.io, on how you can use it to make money online. So once you are on your Respondent.io website, just like what you are seeing here, you can click the link in the description or around anywhere, or you can go to www.ugospower.com/respondent.io and you are going to access this website, which is called Respondent.io. So once you come to the website, this is how the website looks. So once you come here, you need to register your own account. If you want to know how you can register your own account with a full complete video, you need to go and watch this video that's going to pop up or in the description below. Just ask me full video on how to create your own account and I will send it to you, because I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I made it short. So you just know the basic idea on how you can use it to make money online. So just keep on watching, guys. So you can see at the bottom where it said sign up as a participant, not as a researcher. Click on participant here. And once you click on participant, it's going to open up this page. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and you click on create an account. Accept the terms and conditions and click on create an account, and your account will be created. Fill up the process of how your account will be set up. So when you are filling up your account, what I want you to make sure that you have, or what is required, is that you need to make sure you will have a work email. Have a work email, paper account, and set up your profile properly. Everything that you are setting up on your profile is what they are going to use to give you tasks that you can complete. So make sure you set up your profile properly. Don't enter fake information, because when they give you all those tasks, if you are not able to complete it, then you are not going to be making money. Because any task you complete, the researcher is going to go through it, review it. If it's okay with them, they are going to approve it and you are going to get paid. And what is good is that they are paying very, very well. There's no platform that is paying like this platform, which is called Respondent.io. So what I need to do now is to log into my own account. So now that I've logged in, once you log in on your own profile, this is how it will look. This is how your profile will look. So how to start making money? You need to look at the task that is available that you can complete and make money from. So you can see the different tasks. This big tech seeking AI researcher, AI engineer, and AI decision maker to discuss social media usage. That is what they are looking for, and they want to have 1 hour conversation, which is one-on-one with the person, and they are going to pay the person. At the end of that 1 hour, they are going to pay the person $300. So if you scroll down here, $150 for exploring test measurement practice of engineering teams. You can do this job if you have experience on this, and you just need to read through about the program or the project, and you'll get the idea of if it's something that you can do or not. If it's something that you can do, you just need to click on apply, and you are going to apply on it. And if you complete the application, they are going to approve you. If they disapprove you, don't worry, because sometimes they might disqualify your application and you might just be frustrated. Don't be frustrated. There's a lot of job that you can find on this application, which is called a website, which is called Respondent.io. Come back here and look through just like we are looking through right now. Select the ones that you want to complete and complete them, and you are going to get invited. And once you are invited, you can participate on the task and get paid. While you are participating on those tasks, what I want you to do is to make sure that you have a good phone. If you don't have a mic, make sure you have a good phone, and you need to be in a quiet place to be able to complete that task and be able to make money. That is what is good here. So that is everything that I just want to give you as a tips. You cannot apply to more than 10 tasks every day. So that is what I'm trying to say here. Maybe I'm struggling to say that, but you understand what I'm saying. So let us say we go to this same quiz, click on this one, and it's going to open this up. You can see start screen, and once I click on start screen, it's going to show question that you need to answer, 5 questions, and if you fail one, you did not complete it, you are not going to be accepted. That is one thing. Let us try it now. I click on that and I click on this, and as you can see, they have disqualified me. Here you'll be seeing it like you get it right, but you didn't get it right. They are not going to approve it. They're not going to accept you into the project because you did not follow the procedure and you did not complete that 5 quiz. When you complete that 5 quiz, you'll be in a good list and you'll be in a chance of being you have a chance of being accepted to participate on that task. Remember, this task is just $5. It's going to last minimum of 5 minutes. You are going to make $5. So that is it. That is it, and that is how it works, guys. Don't fall into this as a scam. So you already know now how you can do everything. So the next option that you can use to another option that you can use to earn money with this program, which is called Respondent.io, is to refer people. When I click on this 3-dot icon, you see that you have the option to refer people to this program. Here you can refer anyone to this program and start using them to make money. So you refer people, whenever they cash out money, you get some compensation from it. So that is how the referral program works. So that is everything that I want to show you on this video on how you can use this website, Respondent, to make money from the comfort of your home. If you ask me, is this a good way that you can use to make good amount of money online? Yes, but it's not something that is going to make you to become rich, but it's a good way that you can use to make good amount of money if you know how to answer questions and you have a good educational level. Is good. You can make a lot of money. You can see they are asking questions about engineering, computering, and a lot of other things that you can see on the screen here. So guys, just go and try this website out, and don't forget to use my URL, use my link in the description. If you want to learn how you can create your account, maybe you don't know how to create it, you can ask me in the comment section and I will send you the full video. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, wherever you are watching me from, follow, like, subscribe, comment, and share this my video. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace and see you soon.